Hi there, my name is Keith Swain, and I have been teaching languages to adults since 1994. And today I want to talk about how to use your passion and curiosity to make quick and significant progress in your target language. I quoted in my last video, I talked about Albert Einstein, who said, "I have no special gift at all. I am simply passionately curious." And so what do you do if you're passionately curious, and how do you use that to drive your progress in learning a new language? It's really cool. We're going to have some fun talking about this. I said in my last video that when I am passionately curious, I can't get enough language into me fast enough. I am hungry for it, and I'm always looking for input in different ways. The best time to learn new vocabulary and new patterns in the language is when you're curious about them. So if you're getting the oil changed in your car and you start thinking about, how do I talk about that? How do I say oil and getting an oil change? How do I talk about a mechanic in my target language? That's the time to do it, when it's on your mind and you're thinking that would be really useful. If you say, well, I'll look it up later, it's not going to stick the same way. So one of the things that I do is I use my smartphone a lot when I'm curious, when I'm passionately curious about my target language. And there's a couple of tools that I find really helpful. Number one is a dictionary. So I have dictionaries for many different languages on my phone. And when I'm thinking about how to say something new in my target language, I look up the words that I need at the moment that it becomes interesting to me. At the time that it's interesting, not later. I don't wait. I don't think, well, if it's important, it'll come up again. Get it while you're curious, because that's the time that it'll really stick, when it's bothering you that you can't say it. The other tool that I really like for language learning is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is an online encyclopedia of sorts, and it has articles in many different languages. So what you can often do, depending on what your target language is, you can look up an article on something that you're interested in your native language, you read that, and then you switch the language to your target language and read the same article in your target language. Even if you're not at a very advanced level, you'll find that you can pick up words and phrases and language patterns that will help you talk about the thing that you're interested in, because you're looking at things that actually interest you, things that you think about and things that you talk about. Learning the names of all the flowers in the garden, if you've never had a garden in your life and you're not interested in gardening, it's just torture. It's a waste of time. But if you're interested in something that might not be super common, you look up the article on your favorite topic and then read it in your target language. And there you can pick up the vocabulary. It will stick so much better because you've been thinking about it already, and you know what you're probably going to find. You know what the words are that you're going to find, and you'll probably recognize some of them, even if you've never seen them before. There'll be some that might be similar to a language that you already speak. So that's how I feed my passion and curiosity on the fly. I use my phone a lot for picking up new information. I hope that helps. Talk to you again soon.